Today's video is actually brought to you by F150 LEDs. As you can see, even the box looks amazing. But these are new headlight bulbs for the Alpharex. So they are H7, but of course, stock housings, they would be H11 for the lows, and the highs are 9005. But you can get them from F150 LEDs. Check them out. They have a lot of good products for F150s. Like I said, you can replace the headlights, the fog lights. You can get a light bar for the intake. You can get a light bar right there on the grill that goes the whole way across. I think that's 40 inches, then a 20-inch here to put into your intake. Like I said, the headlights, fog lights. It has cubes for the rear of the truck, all kinds of interior lighting, which I'm hoping to get my hands on one day. I really like some of the interior lighting that they have. It really dresses up the interior. But let's go ahead and open these boxes. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're LED bulbs. They are CREE MK5 bulbs. They are super, super bright. You can check out their website, of course, to see them. They have a YouTube channel. You can check out their installs and stuff like that on their channel. But they are so bright. I cannot wait to get these in and see how much brighter they are compared to the Auxbeam lights that are in there currently. But when you, of course, open the box, you get the bulb itself, and then you get a resistor, just in case, to go ahead and install as well to, you know, save the truck any flickering or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, the driver's side is done, and I wanted to take a minute to go ahead and show you guys the difference between the F150 LED CREE MK5 bulbs and the Auxbeam F16s. Now, they're both LEDs. They're both H7s, of course, because that's what fits. But if you couldn't just tell on the wall, tell me which one's brighter. I'm standing directly in the middle of the truck, so both have the exact same pattern at the moment. Tell me which one's brighter. I mean, holy shit. That is an amazing difference. Like, I can't believe it. Now, of course, it is both low and high beams. I changed that through ForceScan. But still, that is a crazy difference between the bulbs. Both LEDs, just two different companies. And, I mean, you guys tell me which one looks like it is going to put more output out. And they're definitely wider. The F150 LEDs are definitely wider. They do match the fogs a little bit better. Now, the F150 LEDs, that puts out 9,000 lumens, okay? 9,000. These, I think they put out 6,500, maybe. So, I mean, you're getting a lot more light. And it's, I mean, they're still the same bulb being LED, you know, but better quality, a lot more output. So, I mean, that's exactly what you need and want in headlights. I cannot wait to get passenger side in and get them on and get them done. Seriously, these lights are amazing, as you can see for yourself. I got this great F150 LED shirt. You can also get that. It is on their website, again, F150LEDs.com. Check them out. Plenty of products to make your F150 brighter, better, and shirts, hats, mats, which definitely helps being able to put the head housing on the ground and work on it that way, so I'm not scratching up the front lens or anything like that. As you can see, I did have to take off the grill. Alpharex doesn't make it easy. If you do have a set of these, you're still not going to be able to go through the fender because of the prongs. If you already have these and change out the bulbs, you know what I mean, the prongs that hold the bulb in place. Obviously, you cannot do that without taking the housing off. And I will say, with these bulbs here, they do have a bigger fan to dissipate the heat better. And it is a big pain to get them in these Alpharexes. I will say that. But obviously, it's worth it. I mean, I cannot wait to drive these. I'll of course let you guys see that once they're all done. All right, so now they are all in, and you can see how crazy bright they are. It is amazing how bright these things are. I couldn't be happier with them. So glad that I was able to get my hands on these. I will never be changing the headlights ever again. They seem absolutely perfect. Definitely the best bulb that I've ever had on any vehicle, let alone this F150 or even the last one, if you guys had watched any of those videos. Let's go ahead and do the high beams. Keep them on. There you go. It is amazing. They're it's lighting up everything. I would definitely recommend these. There is actually a discount code that I will put in the description for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, give these bulbs a shot, or any of the other products on their page. They really have a lot of products for the F150 to really dress up the lights and stuff like that. Have a great week. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See y'all later.